morning? What do you do after make up? I brush my teeth and wash my face. Do you exercise daily? Yeah, exercise every day. What do you do in the morning? I get ready for school. What time do you have prefer? I have prefer when how do you go to school? I go to school on foot. What do you do in school? I attend classes and today. Do you talk to your friend? Yeah, I talk to my friend. What do you do after school? I read her how and read. Do you do homework daily? Yeah, I do my homework. What do you do it in the evening? I play or read book. Do you help at home? Yeah, I help my family. What time do you help daily? I help daily at night. Do you watch TV daily? No, I watch TV sometimes. What do you do before sleeping? I refine my lesson.